Do you understand technophobia, glossophobia, and, if I can pronounce this correctly, metathesiophobia, and how they can ruin your career? Stick around and we'll explain. Welcome to Accounts Payable Soundbites, the program where we explain simple and complex accounts payable issues in short, concise soundbites. Okay, let's start with the one that you can probably guess, technophobia. This is the fear or dislike and unfortunately avoidance of new technologies. And this is a big issue, or it's a growing issue as more and more technology comes into our accounting and accounts payable function, especially into the accounts payable function where we're seeing a number of new invoice automation solutions and others, not only invoice automation. Okay, that's technophobia. Now let's move on to the next fear. This is glossophobia, and it's one that experts say about 75% of the population has it. And it's a fear of public speaking, or maybe not a fear, just an anxiety, but a big anxiety, not a little anxiety. This fear in the accounting and accounts payable profession is a large part of the reason why we partnered with the AP Association to run the AP Rockstar program, a program that focuses on speaking and mentoring. There's a link to it below in the show notes if you want to learn more about it. Now, before I discuss the most damaging fear, the one I can't even pronounce, I'd like to suggest that if you want more information like this or some quick tips to help you with your accounting, finance, or accounts payable function, that you subscribe to this channel below or swipe that bell at the top to be notified of new postings, which we try and do 2 or 3 times a week. And now bear with me as I try and pronounce the last fear. Probably when you hear what it is, you'll understand. Anyway, the fear is called metathesiophobia, okay, and it is the fear of change. And unfortunately, when we look at our staff, maybe you don't have a fear of change, but some of the folks on your staff have a fear of change. And we all have to work with that because as we've learned the last year, if we didn't already know it, and most of us probably did know it, change is going to be a big part of our professional lives, our professional careers for the next few years. Probably forever. It seems to me that since I've been started working, which was more than a few years ago, we've had continual change. Well, that's it for today. Please check out our AP Nail podcast and other sound bites on this channel. And of course, we always appreciate those thumbs up and shares.